Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. Today I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin and trying to answer the question of will it reach and go over $100 in 2018. Of course, I will be going over some technical analysis, and this is really going to be a little updated price prediction video because I've been very accurate with my predictions on VERTCOIN, and I think that it will continue to do well in 2018. I've really been one of the first people on YouTube to really kind of back this coin and shed some light on it because it was obviously overlooked for a while, and of course towards the end of 2017 here really gained some popularity, which is great to see. Broke over $10, had a little bit of a pullback. That's what we're experiencing right now. But overall, I think, like I said, we're going to see VERTCOIN continue to move up this ranking, and it's currently sitting at the 37th spot on CoinMarket.com with a market cap of $300 million. Couple of things that I wanted to point out is the community size that has been growing extremely rapidly with currently over 24,000 subscribers on Reddit. And like I said, it's been going very rapidly. I've seen it grow over thousands of subscribers just in the span of a couple days. So that growth should continue. And 24,000 subscribers is actually a very big subreddit community for cryptocurrencies, right? A lot of the cryptocurrencies that you see that are ranking higher than VERTCOIN have community sizes on Reddit that are much smaller, even up until, around maybe the top 10, top 15 even. So VERTCOIN does have a really strong community, and that's obviously a positive sign. People are starting to see the value in VERTCOIN, and the thing that you have to know with VERTCOIN, I'm not going to get into too much details in this video. If you want to know a little bit more about it, go check out my previous price prediction video. But it's not a flashy coin. At the end of the day, it just is a good cryptocurrency that stays true to what a cryptocurrency is supposed to be, which is really a grassroots movement. That's all it needs to do well, right? Now, I think that it will, like I said, climb up this ranking in 2018. And based on its market cap here, to reach $1 billion, which I think it will do in 2018, that would be, of course, a little bit over a 300% increase. And I think that's definitely doable, right? That would put it currently at around the top 15 ranking. Now, what you have to realize is, of course, a lot of these cryptos right in the top 10, like Monero, Dash, Litecoin, will probably move higher in 2018, which is good because it'll leave more space for VERTCOIN to move up in this, $1, $2, maybe $3 billion market cap range in 2018. And I'll give you my, more clear price prediction in just a second. I just want to go over the chart to tell you kind of what I think is going to happen in the short term for VERTCOIN. And what we can see here is, we had a bit of consolidation after the big run up. Then we got another breakout, and we currently experience, a little bit of a pullback here from our all-time high, our current all-time high, which is now right under $12, right? $11.96. And, we pull back towards the middle band that's currently sitting at $6.23. Now, everything is kind of relies on what's going to happen with the MACD right now. So as you can see, the blue line is coming back towards the orange line, and we could see basically one of two things. Either we're going to get a bounce here, strong bounce off the middle band, and basically continue to move back into this $8.50 level, or what we're going to see happen is, cross back over below the orange line, which is going to be a bearish signal like we had over here, and then probably consolidate a little bit in this range near, $6 for a while until we finally get, another breakout that will send us back hopefully above $10. What's good though is that now that we broke above this $10 mark, we know that it's not that big of an issue. Of course, we really haven't held above this $9.39 resistance level up here. This is this black line. Haven't really been able to get a holding candlestick above that, but that should happen the next time around. And we now know that there won't be as much resistance at $10, right? It shouldn't be that much of a challenge. So even if we do see a little bit of consolidation here for a while, that shouldn't be too much of an issue. I think that within the next 2 months, we'll really be back, above $10. And yeah, currently coming back towards our support line on the RSI, which is at 52 cents. So just to recap, we'll have to see what happens when the MACD touches the middle band, the orange line over here on the MACD. Will it bounce or will it cross over, right? If it crosses over, it'll also cross over on the histogram, and that will be, of course, the signal for a little bit of pullback and consolidation, right? Now, as far as the actual price prediction goes, where do I see VERTCOIN heading? Well, based on what I told you, for VERTCOIN, breaking above $10, right, and that won't be too much of a challenge the next time around, I think that we're really going to see it move much higher into the double-digit range. Of course, $10 is a big, level, a big round number for cryptocurrencies, and the next big stopping point, the next big stop is $50. So I do think that we'll be able to test and reach $50 within 2018. I think that we can even go above $50. The question, of course, of this video is, can we get above $100, right? So just to explain, getting above $50 would put the, if we consider a 1,000% price increase, that would obviously put the market cap at around $3 billion, which would mean that we would be, based on the current ranking, around the 10th spot. Now, like I said, a lot of these cryptos will move higher, so it'll leave some room for VERTCOIN, which is good. That means that it won't really have to compete with something like Monero and Litecoin, which are really big cryptocurrencies. I'm not saying that it can't compete with them. I'm just saying that it's obviously, harder to compete with cryptocurrencies like Monero and Litecoin than some of the cryptocurrencies, in this top 15 ranking, for example, near the 15th spot. I definitely think that it can reach that around $3 billion market cap within 2018. Of course, that's a big call, but I think that, what I'm saying is pretty logical here. And we've already seen it. I mean, just look at how much it went up in 2017, right? Absolutely, enormous growth. So a 1,000% increase is, funnily enough, not really that big of an increase in the world of cryptocurrencies, and within a year especially. So I do think we'll be able to get above $50. I think a 1,000% price increase is possible. Like I said, that would put us around $3 billion market cap, the price around $70. I do think that that's possible. I actually think that, just to be safe and give a sort of a conservative prediction, just to account for any potential pullbacks that might slow things down, I think that we could definitely see it at around $70 by the end of 2018. Could we go and test $100? That's definitely possible, and that would be, about a 1,400% price increase. But it's going to be a little bit harder. That's going to be a big resistance level, and yeah, I'm just not sure if we're going to be able to do that in 2018. Like I said, it's definitely possible that we test that and that we even break above it, but I would say, just to account for any pullbacks, my personal price prediction for 2018 is going to be around that $70 mark for VERTCOIN. Let me know where you think VERTCOIN will be heading in 2018. I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. Do you think it'll be able to get above $50? Do you think it'll be able to get above $100? Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.